Hi, welcome to the NVIDIA AI Summit. I'm here with Prateek from NVIDIA. Prateek, welcome to the Outpost podcast.
Thank you so much for coming in and for inviting me to the podcast.
Great, Prateek. So, we're really excited to learn more about the NVIDIA Inception Program, right? What does it offer startups and so on? So, can you tell us a little bit about the program and what it is all about?
Sure. So, NVIDIA Inception Program is a global program. Globally, we have 22,000 startups part of the program, and in India itself, we have 2,000 plus startups part of the program. This program caters to all the startups who are building their applications and who are building their tech products. So it's all for tech and for AI startups. And the eligibility criteria we look at, they should have a functional website, full-time team in place. They should have a legally incorporated company, and also we look at how NVIDIA can play a role for the company in future. If not currently they are not using NVIDIA technology, that's fine, but there should be some alignment with the startup that they will be using in future. So that's what we look at while evaluating. Now in terms of benefits, there are a lot of benefits which startup get. One is we have partnered with GCP, we have partnered with AWS, Microsoft Azure, and recent partnership is with Yota. So they get a lot of free cloud credits which the startups can use. Then we also have a preferred pricing on almost all the NVIDIA hardware and software products. So whether the startup looking to buy a GPU or a Jetson kit or software licenses, they get preferred pricing. Then we have VC alliance of 1,000 plus VCs. So we're in these all are global VCs, and the startups are looking to raise funds. This is a platform where the VCs get to know, and further VCs can evaluate and take the startups forward as per their investment thesis. And then apart from that, there are a lot of technical expertise. We have a developer forum. Then we also have accelerated apps catalog where the startups can showcase their product, what they have built, what applications that they have built on the NVIDIA website. They can showcase. Apart from that, we also do a lot of events like AI Summit where the startups get opportunity to showcase to the entire world what they have built. And apart from that, we also do a lot of marketing for startups, both online and offline. And we also have a technical team wherein we connect the startups with our solution architects, dev tech, for specific accounts to work deeper with the startups and enable them on NVIDIA technology. So these are all the benefits of the program. The program is completely free. There's no fees, no equity involved in the program. Yeah, so I think that's about it. And we welcome all the AI startups, tech startups to be a part of the program. They can simply search for NVIDIA Inception, and they can fill up a short application form, and then we can further evaluate and take it forward.
Great, thanks, Prateek. And NVIDIA also has a lot of interesting, models. Right now, software, NIMS. I was hearing about all of these. Right. So, does this program also give them more exposure and guides and support? Right, if they want to implement some of these things, both on the hardware, software side.
Yeah, exactly. So whenever a new product or a new, I would say, application get launched, some of these startups, if they are really interested, they get early access before it comes to the market for the commercial access. The startups get early access. So we try to support startups in all the possible ways, like names and as you mentioned. So all of that is also available. There are a lot of SDKs which most of the startups go through. We also provide them SDK recommendations, which might be beneficial for their company as per their industry, as per the domain they are operating. There are API. So all this is also a part of program. On a case by case basis, we work with the startups and we enable them.
Perfect. Pratik, thank you so much for explaining to us about the NVIDIA Inception program and wish you all the best.
Thanks, Soham, and looking forward to having more startups and helping and supporting all the tech and AI startups across the globe.